Okay. So this is just straight power rule, but I need to rewrite this as 6x to the fourth minus 4x cubed minus 3x to the 1/2 minus 3x to the negative 3, so that f prime is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. X subtract 1, 3, minus 4 times 3 is 12, x squared. 1/2 times 3 minus 3/2, x to the 1/2 minus 1. So that would be negative 1/2. And minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. X to the minus 3 minus 1 would be minus 4. This one again, I'm going to have to rewrite because of that radical. So this is 2 ln x plus 3x to the 1/5 plus 3 times 1.2 to the x, so that f prime is 2. Natural log of x is 1 over the blob times the derivative of the blob plus 1/5 times 3 is 3/5, x to the 1/5 minus 1, which is minus 4/5, plus 3. Now this is a to the x, so a to the blob, so it's 1.2 to the blob times the derivative of the blob times the natural log of the base, which is 2 over x, derivative of x is just 1, plus 3/5, x to the negative 4/5, plus 3 times 1.2 to the x, derivative of x is just 1, and the natural log of 1.2. F prime, well, it's 3 e to the blob times the derivative of the blob minus e to the blob times the derivative of the blob plus 1 over the blob times the derivative of the blob So this becomes 3e to the blob is 6x, times the derivative of 6x, which is just 6, minus e, the blob is 2x plus 1, times the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is just 2, minus 1 over the blob, which is x squared plus 4x minus 1, times the derivative of x squared plus 4x minus 1, which is 2x plus 4. Last but not least, we rewrite this as 2 times 1 plus 4 e to the 3.2x to the minus 2. Now this is just straight chain. F prime is 2 times minus 2 times the blob to the minus 3 times the derivative of the blob. 1 plus 4 e to the 3.2x, which is minus 4 times the blob to the minus 3 times the derivative of the blob. So the derivative of 1 is just 0. So you have 4. This is e to the blob times the derivative of the blob. So it's minus 4 times, and in this instance the blob is 1 plus 4 e to the 3.2x to the minus 3, Now the derivative of times 4 e to the 3.2x times the derivative of 3.2x is just 3.2.